Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Outlook quick fix step by step clearly. To sync Outlook, start by opening the application on your computer. Check your internet connection to ensure you are online. Navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Account Settings again in the pop-up window. In the Account Settings window, find your email account listed. Highlight your email account, then click Change. Make sure the server settings are correctly entered. Verify your incoming and outgoing server information. If necessary, re-enter your password to refresh the connection. Next, click on More Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Advanced tab and check the server port numbers. Ensure they match the settings recommended by your email provider. Click OK to close the More Settings window. Now, click Next in the Change Account window. Allow Outlook to test your account settings. If the tests are successful, click Close, then Finish. Return to the main Outlook window. Click on the Send/Receive tab at the top. Select Send/Receive all folders. Wait for Outlook to sync your emails and calendar. If syncing fails, review any error messages displayed. Make adjustments to your account settings if necessary. Restart Outlook to apply any changes made. Your Outlook should now be synced successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.